Alright, got a Nest Thermostat here showing that the Nest Thermostat has been disconnected from the network for 17 days. So I hit OK. And what we need to do, what I wanted to show you, is how to clear this out. Some painter's got some paint on there. That's a different story. Alright, so I've got a Nest Thermostat and it's showing the network has been inactive for 17 days. What we want to do is clear the network, so we're going to rotate through network not connected, going to hit that, and we're going to switch to do not connect. Okay, so now we're disconnecting from that Wi-Fi network, and that's how you can clear a Nest Thermostat that was connected in that way without having to reset your date and time and all that good stuff. So once you're done, hit done. And now we won't get that message on the screen anymore. It'll just be controlled via the thermostat until someone else connects it to the